Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world, you know that transferring assets between exchanges is a key skill. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from Mexc to Bybit in 2025. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your knowledge, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Mexc and Bybit, and that they're fully verified. Security is paramount in crypto, so double-check that before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your Mexc account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section. Here, you'll see your balances, including USDT. Click on USDT to select it. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw option. This is usually right there in the wallet interface. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Step 3. Enter your Bybit wallet address. To get this, log into Bybit, go to your wallet, and copy the USDT deposit address. Make sure to select the correct network. TRC20 is often the fastest and cheapest for USDT transfers, but check current fees as they can vary in 2025. Step 4. Specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so factor those in to avoid surprises. Step 5. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address, amount, and network to prevent any errors. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and complete any two-factor authentication if required. After that, sit back and wait. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. You can track the status on both exchanges. A quick tip: always use a secure connection and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. Your USDT is now on Bybit, ready for trading or staking. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.